Peanut butter and jelly. It's a fine sandwich. Is it good enough to serve at a party? I don't think so.
What?
Today I'm going to blow your mind. By a few small changes, this is going to be the best thing you ever had. Change number 1, use white bread. Step 2, instead of peanut butter, use cookie butter. Step 3, instead of grape jelly, use blackberry spread. Cookie butter is the real game changer here. It looks and feels like peanut butter, but it has the taste of Biscoff cookies and cinnamon that elevates the sandwich much more than peanut butter. Don't spread it too thick. You want the flavor to be subtle. The blackberry spread gives a smoother, more unique sweetness to the sandwich too. Make sure your spread is also thin. You don't want to overpower the rest of the sandwich. Now we're going to make this look awesome. Cut it into perfect squares. The crust, that's the chef's treat. And now for the taste test. This is so much better than peanut butter and jelly. It will make your party pop. Your friends will love it. It will make your kids go crazy. So good. You have to make this today. If you want to see more, like and subscribe.